She is.
Remind me this weekend that water fountain has to be done. What do you do?
Don't distract him, okay?
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. Don't distract him.
If you were sitting on my plug, can you plug my phone in, please?
You're totally missing this.
Can you plug my phone in,
I
please?
will. This kid is cracking me up.
Wait till he gets his leg stuck.
Next thing you know, it's going to be the wall when he's got his race car bed.
Buying him a race car bed. You know, all I could think of is Grandma's house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get him some new rooms.
Oh my God. You mean Grandma's boy?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, wait.
But the roomies are going to get me some new rooms for Christmas.
Roomies?
Don't you mean your parents?
No. They're my roomies.
Stop. You're okay. Do you want to go outside? He did that last night when he got his legs stuck.
Guess he learned from that lesson because he hasn't gotten stuck yet.